Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I'm very excited to try out those old clothes from my closet. Let's find out if those clothes still fit me now. I am in my second trimester of pregnancy. My belly has different sizes during the day. It gets smaller in the mornings and it gets bigger in the evenings. Does anyone have similar situation? Some of my tops don't fit me anymore. My breasts are getting bigger and bigger. I don't know how big those will get. Let's start with purple outfits. The first outfit has two pieces. I'm sure I can fit in this top, but not sure about the underneath dress. Wow, still fits me because it's got a very loose elastic waistband. Very comfortable to wear. What do you think about this outfit? It's cute, but doesn't show my belly at all. Can't tell if I'm pregnant. I will try this outfit again in my third trimester. Maybe by then my belly will show. This outfit is very light. It's very comfortable to wear in this season and in my second trimester. Let's move on to the second outfit. This super cute purple overall dress. It still fits me and it has plenty of rooms. Maybe it'll still fit me in third trimester. I will find out. It's very comfortable to wear and show my belly from the side. I wanted to add the bows, but it looks like too much. Sometimes simple is cute. The sweater I'm wearing doesn't fit in this season. Let me try out those t-shirts and see if those matches the overall dress. Looks not bad, but I still prefer the long sleeve sweater with the hard cutout design. How about this white t-shirt? It looks okay, but not my favorite, as I think this dress goes better with the hard cutout design clothing. You probably see me wearing this outfit in other videos, but not a full look. I will show you the full look in this video. I cannot zip up the skirt now, so I guess I will save this outfit and wear it this fall. My due date is in October. I don't know how long it'll take to get in shape. Maybe I will fit in this outfit this winter and wear a cute jacket to go with it. It's a very pretty and decent outfit. I love the colors, the brown and the beige. It's very gentle and I always love plaid skirts. I transformed this skirt. It was a long sleeve skirt. I transformed this into a suspender skirt. Wow, I can still wear it and I zipped all the way up. The waistline starts from my stomach, so I can still wear it because my belly is big. The skirt looks a lot shorter than before. I can still wear it outside as long as I wear shorts underneath. The top seems very busy. Let me change another one, the white off-shoulder top. Wow, this outfit does look a lot better than the previous one. And from the side, it shows my belly a little bit and it's very comfortable to wear right now. I think it will not fit me when I enter the third trimester. My belly will make the skirt too short. The next outfit is the red velvet dress. I know it's too hot to wear it right now. I just want to show you how this dress looks with an underneath blouse and to see if it still fits me. It still fits me and very comfortable. This dress shows my belly a little bit from the side. I think my belly will still be this big after giving birth. Then maybe I can wear this outfit in October or November. Maybe you will see me wear this outfit with my son when we go outside. The next outfit is a bodycon suspender skirt. I'm sure this skirt will really show my belly. Look how round is my belly. I know the skirt looks too short right now because my belly, but if you wear a boxer briefs underneath, then no worries. Recently, I really love bodycon dresses and skirt because those really show off my belly. From this angle, my belly even look bigger. This outfit won't fit me very long. Maybe it'll last for 1 more month. I will need to look for something else in my closet to wear in July. The next one is a basic black dress. This still fits me and comfortable to wear. It shows my belly from the side. And then I wear a see-through blouse underneath. The outfit suddenly become cuter. I want this outfit has red in it. Red always goes perfectly with black. Look, it become even cuter now. And then with the red velvet purse and heels. I can't wear those heels right now, they're too high. Wow, what do you think about this outfit now? Super sweet and cute. This outfit is on my top 3 in this video. I do think I look better in red and black than other colors. I transformed this vest, so I removed the sleeves and the bows on this top. The skirt still fits me because I pulled it up to my stomach, but it feels a bit strange. I will change a different blouse. What about now? Do you think it's got too much lace? Does this outfit look too busy? Maybe I should have unbuttoned the vest. The vest seems too small to me. Let's try another black and white outfit. This top has lace-up design in the back. It still fits me, but a lot tighter than before. The outfit looks cuter than the previous one, but still not my favorite. It's hard to tell I'm pregnant in this outfit, but from the side, you can tell it looks very wide. So I will change to the basic black dress. Now it looks better and more comfortable. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it'll give you some ideas to style your clothes. Bye bye, I will see you in next video soon.